pa siya. Maganda iso niya. Maganda iso niya. Come embarrass me.
And today I'm going to do what's a beginner friendly, what's in, like, you know, like some stuff that you need to have whenever you're just starting out and doing makeup. So guys, I'm gonna jump right into that now. So when you just starting out to do your makeup and thing, you just need some basic products. You don't need nothing too fancy, nothing too bossy. Some good drugstore products. You're gonna need a spoolie like this to brush your eyebrows out. This is a must to brush your eyebrows out, right guys? So this is a must. You have some cheap affordable one that you can get in the store. I think it's for like $200 or $150 or something like that. Your eyebrow, like pomade, you have Health of a pomade, you have LA Girl have, you have some different cheap affordable drugstore brand, but this is Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is expensive, but you don't have to get this one. You can get, you know, the LA Girl pomade, or what you can do, you can use eyeliner, a simple eyeliner pencil in the shade like a dark brown, or depends on your color. If you're gonna use a pomade, you're gonna need an underbrush to apply. We're gonna shape like this. You're gonna shape like that, so you're gonna need that to just apply your pomade. So you're gonna dip it into the thing and just, you know, outline the window. Then you want to buy the LA Girl Pro Concealer into a shade that was suitable for your complexion. This shade is stuffy and it's suitable for my complexion, so that's why I get this one. But for you, you're gonna get a suitable one for your complexion. And you're just going to the makeup store and let them match one for you and just send you that one. Concealer brush to clean up the concealer after you apply your eyebrow. You want to have a moisturizer. Moisturizer is a must to go into your makeup kit, right? Into your makeup bag. The pun moisturizer, but this is for dry skin. If you have oily skin, you don't want to use this. You want to use the I think you have different brand moisturizer where you can get moisturizer for oily skin and a moisturizer for combination skin. It all depends on your skin type, okay? But I use this. You're gonna get a foundation of your choice, like, you know, affordable foundation. You have the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation that you can purchase. You have Maybelline Super Stay foundation that is really affordable, so you can buy either this is really good, or the Fit Me. So for your setting powder, you can use a drugstore setting powder like the L'Oreal have good setting powder. That's the one I use, right? And you have different brands. You have LA Girl, you have Maybelline, you have Elf, you have Black Opal and Black Radiant. Yeah, you can get any of those. When you're starting out, you just get a beauty blender. So just blend in tap in your foundation, or you can get brush like this. But for beginners, I would tell you to start out with a beauty blender because it's much easier, okay? Wing liner to just, you know, like just mark a look line over your lash band. Just that's it. Cause you know when you just start now, you can do the all the tease, the little excitement and the wing liner and stuff like that. So you just want this to just cover the lash band. That's it. You're gonna need a mascara on. This is the True Value Maybelline. Maybelline have some good mascara. This is the Maybelline one. For affordable, so you guys can get that. And I think they have some little cheaper ones in the wholesaler, the beauty store. That setting spray to just take away all the powdery look off your face. So you're gonna get either the Mario Badisco setting spray. This is very good, guys. Or Henneger have good brand, Elf have good brand setting spray. You know, it all depends on your pocket and what you can afford. Okay, a little lip gloss to just, you know, be a lip look shine is after you apply your look foundation, your look powder, your look something. Need like a little contour kit. You don't really need that, but just to bring some color into the face, you're just gonna need a darker shade powder. Any dark shade powder can get. Something like this, something looking like this. And to just bronze up around the cheek. Powder brush. To apply the powder, the setting powder to set the foundation all over your face. Right? You're gonna need some lashes. If you do wear eyelash, you're gonna need some lashes. So you're gonna get some eyelash of your choice. You're gonna need some lash glue. Lash glue. So this is nice, but it easily lifts the lashes off. Right? So if it's something that you want to wear for the next day, I would recommend using this. But you know, we Jamaicans, we use our ear glue. You see me? So you're gonna need a ear glue for just tack it on and tack it up. Hey. So that's basically it. That's basically the stuff that you're going to need when you're just starting out to doing your own makeup. You don't need no excitement, no nothing. Only thing you need some good, affordable drugstore brand. That's it. So, what are you using here? Come embarrassed. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video, guys. If you have any videos that you want me to do, all you can do, just leave it down in the comment section and I will surely do that for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave your comments down in that comment section. I love you guys. Bye.